Hello YouTube family, this is Sherry from Virginia, and I have today a $5 cash club ticket. Win up to $150,000 and win 15 times maybe. Match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win a prize for that number. Reveal a a cha-ching sign and win double that prize. But first, before I start this, I want to do a reveal. I did these two $1 tickets offline, and this one, the Fast 50s, turned out to be a loser. See, there's the Z and the D and the P. I had two 10s, a 50, a 500, a 1, and a 50. So that one's a big fat. But this one, Lucky 50s from the Virginia Lottery, has a 1 in 4.72 chance of winning any prize. Loaded with $50 prizes. Match any of your numbers to the winning numbers, win that prize. Reveal a horseshoe, win double that prize. Well, I just didn't win the horseshoe or the $50 or anything, so I started scratching. It was a 2 was the number I was looking for. First I got a 3, then I got a 7 and a 4, and then I got a 9, and then all of a sudden there was the number 2. And I was thinking to myself, oh, okay, this is just going to be $1, so I'm going to go ahead and scratch it and not show it online. But no, it was 20 bucks. Can you believe that? $20. That's $40 in one day, people. TWY. I won 20 bucks. So this isn't an extra chance one. Alright, now on to this one. Cash Club. This one has an overall chance of 1 in 4.29. Make sure that's in there. Okay. And here we go. I need a 49, 25, a 5, and a 27. Y'all know how I like to do the quick swipe. Swipe. A 20, 31, 35, 47, and 43. No. Next line. 33, 25. I got a winner. 14, 17, and 13. I wonder what it's going to be in number 20. That'd be nice. Gotta be really careful not to expose it. Alright, the next number is a 10. Don't have that one. What about a 34? Anything to help my little 25 here? Nope, not yet. A 16? Nope, no 16. What about a 15? Nope, no 15. And an 11. Well, it's just the one number, 25 and 25. I'm going to scrape off the little ones here. Okay, that's little zeros, and I see an IV, so it's, oh wow! I was thinking it was a $5 winner, but no, it's 25. Oh my gosh! Earlier today I scratched off a $500 frenzy and won 20 bucks, and about an hour ago I scratched off this Lucky 50s and won 20 bucks, and now I won 25, and I only spent $40 today. Oh my goodness! I guess Jerry was right. I was due to hit a big one, but it was a whole bunch of little ones, and they're hitting up pretty big together, aren't they, people? Alright, good for me. I'm so happy. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe in the corner, leave a comment down below. If you want to share some of your little ones all scrunched together making one big one, let me know down there, and we'll have a little conversation, okay? I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.